is linear now. We make them, we use them, we bin them. And it's intensely polluting and wasteful at all 3 stages. But I'm not here to make you feel guilty, okay? I'm here to help you and inspire you to be part of fixing that. But first, we need to be clear on the problem. We are in a climate crisis. The Ellen MacArthur Foundation estimates that the world's using plastic generates 6% of carbon emissions. 6%, that's a lot. That's for all plastic, not just toys. But toys is the world's most plastic-intensive industry. What percentage of toys are made from virgin petroleum plastic? Any ideas? 90%. 90%? Then most of them travel 22,000 kilometers to us from China, if we're in Europe. All of that releases so much CO2, we would have to plant how many trees to absorb it? How many do you think? You can shout. The answer is 1 billion, not a million, 1 billion, 1,000 million trees. 1,000 million trees to absorb just for toys.